Ah, yes. Bella the Wolf. You know her, you love her.
Girl, what the hell? I don't love her.
And maybe the love her part isn't too accurate, but just for the sake of the intro.
Are you kidding?
Guys,
For the sake of the
just
intro,
for
you
the
are
sake
about
of
to
the
get
intro.
yourself canceled.
Don't
for the sake
cancel
of the
me, please. Well, today, guys, I am transforming into my old self.
Ew, what the hell?
The ugly pink-haired version of me with the really cringy lore videos. Yay! So yeah, let's begin. Let's start cooking me, boys.
Scary? Shiver my timbers! Shut up, man!
Reading my Discord questions.
Why does she sound like that?
Hi, viewers chat.
It can't be! It can't be! No! No!
Of course not. The IRS are on my
Oh my god, what a knee slapper!
front door right now. Oh, that's a question for another video. Yes, your first is my boyfriend. Of course I do. I may be Muslim, but that's not an excuse to disrespect basic human rights.
So you guys know, if we reach 1,000 subscribers by next year, I'm going to do a cover of the Celebrate Our Differences song.